In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping package sizes in Shopify, ensuring you can smoothly process your orders and optimize your shipping solutions. Let's get started by setting everything up step by step. First, navigate to your Shopify admin panel. This is where you'll find all the settings you need to manage your store effectively. To get started, look to the bottom left corner of the panel and click on Settings. This action opens up a wide range of options that you'll need to personalize your store's operations. Next, from the available selections, choose Shipping and Delivery. This section is particularly crucial because it allows you to manage everything related to shipping, ensuring that your products reach your customers in a timely and organized manner. Within the Shipping and Delivery settings, scroll down until you find the Packages section. This is where you can define the different package sizes you plan to use for shipping your products. It's an essential part of customizing your shipping strategy to suit the different product sizes and weights in your inventory. Once you've located the Packages section, you'll want to click on Add Package. This initiates the process of creating a new package size that you can use for your shipping needs. Here, you'll be prompted to select the package type from a variety of options. This step is important as it determines the default characteristics for the package you're about to define. After selecting your preferred package type, go ahead and enter the specific dimensions, the length, width, height, and weight of your package. It's beneficial to be as accurate as possible with these measurements to ensure efficient shipping and avoid unexpected costs or issues with carriers. In addition to providing the package dimensions, you can give your package a unique name. This is particularly helpful if you have multiple package sizes and need a straightforward way to distinguish between them. Naming your packages clearly will help keep your shipping setup organized and efficient, which is a significant advantage as your business grows and you manage more shipping operations. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, simply click on Add Package. This action saves your new package size into your Shopify settings. It's that simple. And there you have it. Your package size has been added successfully, ready to be used whenever needed in your shipping processes. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add shipping package sizes to your Shopify store. With this knowledge, you're better equipped to manage your shipping operations effectively, ensuring your products are packaged appropriately and reaching customers without a hitch. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shipping.